Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to compare the new Amazfit T-Rex Pro versus the Amazfit T-Rex in the first version of it. We unboxed the Amazfit T-Rex a while before, now we got the Amazfit T-Rex Pro, which is the new version. In today's video we will see what we have, the differences in the software and in the outside look, so let's go ahead without losing any time, start the comparison. Let's begin with the newest, which is the T-Rex Pro. You can see we have a very good AMOLED display here and a bunch of options here in the taskbar as well as in the settings. Let's raise the brightness of the screen, which right now is in automatic. You can see when you turn it off how it went down. Now we are at the manual. You can see we have here time, date, percentage of battery, weather, and we have some shortcuts for do not disturb, brightness, etc. In the left we have notifications, in the right with the menu. Down we have the activity goal, PAI, real-time weather, blood oxygen. Also we can add more options here in this circle where we can select whatever we want. If you go to add, you have more options and I'm going to choose the steps. I want to see how many steps I did throughout the day. Press the plus sign, you can see the logo, and that's done. Now we can go back with the button and see what we got next. As we said, in the right we have the menu starting from the PAI, heart rate, blood oxygen, workout records, workout status, stress, activity goal, weather, alarm, compass, barometer, stopwatch, timer, event reminder, music, find phone, notifications, and the settings. In the settings we have watch faces, do not disturb, preferences, display. Here at the watch faces we can change it and we can press and hold in the watch faces. We have two options. These are already downloaded from default. We can download more in the app. We saw that in how to connect video. After the watch face, as we said, we have here preferences, which we can go ahead and select the quick start button, which we can customize it, change it from workout to other things. We have display data or display options, which we have a lot of them and we can customize. This is the always on display, which I always prefer to have it on in the Amazfit devices, particularly because they have an amazing display and amazing always on display. Next, after the display, we have vibration. Again, we can customize these three options. We can turn them on and off. We have GPS positioning. We have workout detection. And here we have the reset, factory reset, reboot, or shut down the watch. So this is the Amazfit T-Rex Pro and all of his options. You can see 4 buttons in the outside look. The T-Rex is a little bit updated also in the outside, as same as the inside. This is the Amazfit T-Rex, the first one. You can see, you can notice the differences immediately, even though they have the similarities. Here we have all the steps that we did today, calories, burn calories, time and kilometers. This is the status. Next we have the heart rate, workout, activity record. You can see the activities that we did. 11 kilometers is the last walk that we did for 3 hours. Other than that, you can see the map where you walked, run, whatever activity you did. Also, you can see this in more details in the app. We saw that a long time ago when we unboxed this device. Next we have weather, music control, alarm, event reminder, timer, countdown, find my phone, compass, and the settings. Pretty much the same options that we have in the T-Rex Pro, but you can see the differences in the software that we have in the T-Rex Pro. We have the new version of the Amazfits. Now it's time to do some tests. This is the always on display that I was talking about before, and we are seeing the differences in the outside look. The T-Rex Pro has some parts that are metal, not just plastic like the first T-Rex, but other than that they are pretty similar. Now we are measuring the heart rate. We have the heart rate zone and statistic like we do in the first generation of the T-Rex. Again, just a little bit updates looking updates in the software, but both of them works pretty good, and the T-Rex Pro now with these updates is even better. This is the first result for the heart rate in the T-Rex Pro. You can see it's showing the zone, and this is the final result. Like it says in the top, it's not saying measuring, which lets you know that this is the final result. We have here all the details about heart rate zone. Next, after the heart rate, we have the blood oxygen. You can see it says screen facing up, keep the watch tightly, and don't move, hold still. This will be done in just a few seconds. And this is the final result for the blood oxygen, which will be saved in the app. Later we can check out what we did. After the blood oxygen, we have the workouts. As you can see, outdoor running, walking, treadmill, outdoor trailing, indoor running, outdoor cycling, pool swimming, open water swimming, climbing, hiking, elliptical row machine, soccer, outdoor rowing, surfing, strength training, indoor fitness, free training, jumping, skiing, snowboards, stair climbing, and we have more where we can find running and walking workouts, cycling, swimming, outdoor sports, indoor sports, dancing, boxing, ball sports, water sports, winter, and we have others where we can find a lot of options, more than 100 sports for you to use them. Also, we can add the list and put at the top whatever we use. This is the outdoor running, where we can customize a couple of things here and there. We have the auto lap, auto pause, keep screen on, 3D data mode. A lot of more options that we saw ever before. The T-Rex Pro is fully loaded with options, and for the workouts is a very good watch. You can see we have outdoor time, workout time, distance, time at the top, heart rate and pace. This is the first page. We have average pace seconds, average calories, and altitude. We have heart rate chart, and that's it. We have here pause, save or discard. This isn't saved because it's a very short workout. We didn't move at all. We have the workout records. We saw how it looks in the app. Workout status, stress, which is new in the T-Rex Pro. We don't have that in the T-Rex. We have only in the new Amazfit devices. This is the result for the stress. It took around 1 minute. We have the auto detecting stress, all day stress, which I enabled, so I don't have to measure my stress anymore. This is the compass, which I just calibrated in circle motion, and it looks like this. Very good option from the T-Rex. Is much easier to calibrate it in the circle motion than in the infinite motion. This is the barometer, and we have here stopwatch, timer, event reminder, music control, and all kinds of stuff that a normal smartwatch should have. Very good options from the Amazfit T-Rex Pro. We have the music control, which we can control the music that is playing in the phone. We can't upload music like we do in the Amazfit GTS 2 or the GTR 2 that we saw a while before. We saw the T-Rex Pro. Now it's time for the first generation T-Rex. You can see this looks just as good as the T-Rex Pro. And again, you can notice the differences in the software immediately. We have the result in the middle and different style of the heart rate zone. So let's wait for the result and see how it will look like. This is the last result. Now it's showing the result that is measuring currently, and as you can see, we have again relaxed heart rate. This is the button, and this is how it looks like when you measure your heart rate. Here we have outdoor running, walking, pool swimming, and all bunch of information. We have duration, distance, pace, heart rate, and at the top we have the time. This is the first page. We have seconds, average pace, average seconds, and consummation. These only 2 pages like we had in the T-Rex Pro, and the same options that we have. Again, we can notice only the changes in the software. Most of them are pretty similar. We have the compass that we saw in the T-Rex Pro as well, which is very good to have it here in the T-Rex, the oldest T-Rex and the T-Rex Pro. Both of them works pretty good. You can see the T-Rex Pro, we had more better compass, but here we don't have a barometer, which we can notice a little bit differences, and we mentioned some differences before. So guys, this was all for today's video. I hope you find this video interesting and helpful. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video with another smart device.